Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Trello for project management. Alright, let's begin. First, you will want to log into Trello. Visit the Trello website and click on the login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, sign up for a new account. For easier access, you can also use the Google login option. Once logged in, you will see the Trello dashboard. At the top, click the Create button to begin setting up your first project board. The title should be descriptive and reflect your project's purpose. For example, name it after the project or team you're working with. After naming the board, click the Create button to finalize it. Now, it's time to add structure by creating lists. Lists categorize tasks by different stages or types. Click in the list name area, type in the name of your first list, and click Add to secure it. To add tasks, click on Add a card. A text box will appear where you can name your task. Once the task name is entered, click outside the card area to save it. Continue adding more lists and cards to organize tasks as your project progresses. That's it. Now you're all set up to manage your projects with Trello. I hope this helps keep your tasks organized and on track. So that's basically how you can use Trello for project management. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.